The product we're about to present has been developed in BTH in collaboration with Volvo Group and a team of students from Stanford University. The team at BTH consists of Wirén, Joakim and myself, Mohammed. The construction sector is growing rapidly and it's on the list among the most significant segments of the global economy. Construction companies employ 7% of the world population, that is around 540 million people around the globe. There is a growing need for more efficient and sustainable construction techniques and tools. We've been instructed by Volvo Group to find the important data available in construction materials and digitalize it in order to enable stakeholders to take on greater responsibility for the environmental impact of construction. Our need finding showed a great need for more transparency and traceability, more effective transportation of material masses, and a solution to move away from the use of physical delivery notes and the use of paper. Our solution to all these needs and problems is a system of two parts consisting of a probe and a beacon. Our product streamlines construction material management, transportation, tracking, and reuse. We've developed a software platform with the user in mind, and we've made it incredibly easy to store, track, and rely upon information within our centralized system, where hardware connects to the digital platform. We've also created a quick disconnect adapter system which utilizes 3 magnets to safely and correctly attach the beacon to the probe. As demonstrated here, the probe indicates a successful connection by showing a blue ring of LEDs. The prototype automatically senses and updates moisture levels, allowing the user to transport aggregates at an optimal time, decreasing the cost, time, and the environmental impact of material transport. By lowering the water content, we can increase the transportation weight of a material, which results in the transportation of less unwanted water. Now we'll present to you how our solution, DNES, can be used in a construction environment. Bleaking and Mining has extracted some extra materials that they need to get rid of, and the material is not yet in the DNES system. The first step of the process is that a sales representative at Bleaking and Mining adds the material, in this case cedar mulch, and uploads the lab report and additional documents such as CE certifications to the DNES system using the desktop interface. When the material has been added to the system, a person on site will get notified with a pop-up that a material needs to be activated with a beacon to start gathering data. The person on site will insert the probe in the pile of material, scan it, and choose the cedar mulch that was just added by the sales representative. As soon as Bleaking and Mining finds a buyer for the material, the sales representative will add this order to the DNES system by adding all the people involved, their contact information, and a copy of the contract. The next step in the process is the trucking coordinator. The person responsible for sending out the trucks at the right time will monitor the material and its moisture levels using the DNES desktop interface. When the material has low water content and is ready for transport, the trucking coordinator will then order trucks to pick up the material. When the material is about to get transported, the seller scans the beacon, chooses an order, and gives the beacon to the person responsible for the transport. The beacon is now in transport mode, meaning that both a material and an order has been assigned to it and it's on its way to the customer. Here we can see the material masses are being transported from Bleaking and Mining to where it's going to be dropped off at Most Big. During the transport, the beacon is tracking the journey with its built-in GPS module and uploading it to the DNES servers. In the final step of the process, the material masses are dropped off and the site manager scans the beacon and accepts the delivery of the material. This is a simpler and more effective way of accepting delivery compared to physical shipping notes, as all the information stays digital and can be accessed by all the parties involved at all times. The beacon will be put into sleep mode, allowing it to be reused on other materials and orders. We see this as a product that will improve the entire construction ecosystem. Companies can drastically expand its trust network to new partners and can measurably decrease their carbon footprint. The data we provide allows for optimal timed transport. Our product solution provides an instant relief from paperwork and physical documentation. Managers can now quickly and easily get material to and from their site.